Good day, my dear students, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll explore how to identify algebraic expressions and determine which ones are polynomials and which are not. But before we proceed, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated for my next video. And please do share to others. Let's begin with what a polynomial is. A polynomial is an algebraic expression made up of terms, where each term consists of a coefficient and a variable raised to a non-negative integer exponent. For example, 3x squared plus 2x minus 5, 7y cubed minus 4y plus 6, and 2. We can consider 2 as a polynomial of degree 0. Now let's talk about polynomials in standard form. A polynomial is said to be in standard form when the powers of exponents are written in decreasing order like this: a sub n x to the power of n plus a sub n minus 1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 x raised to n minus 2 plus and so on and so forth plus a sub 1 x plus a sub 0. So given from this group of algebraic expressions, we're going to identify which are polynomials and which are not. First, we will identify the algebraic expressions which are not polynomials. The first one, we have 2x raised to negative 2 plus 3x minus 7. This is not a polynomial because it has a negative exponent. 5 over x plus 2x squared. It has a variable in the denominator. So this is not a polynomial. 2 square root of x plus x squared. It has a variable inside the radical sign. So this is not a polynomial. And x to the power of 1/3 plus 2x squared. It has a fractional exponent. Therefore, this is not a polynomial. So negative exponents, variables in the denominator, variables inside the radical sign, fractional exponents. These are key reasons an expression is not a polynomial. Thus, the remaining algebraic expressions are examples of a polynomial. The first one, we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 7. So it has no negative exponent. X over 5 plus 2x squared. It has no variable in the denominator. The variable 5 in the denominator is a numerical coefficient. X square root of 2 plus x squared. Square root of 2 is a numerical coefficient. So this is a polynomial. 2/3 x cubed plus 2x squared. So it has no fractional exponent. The fraction 2/3 is a numerical coefficient. So we can say that an algebraic expressions which are polynomials if it has no negative exponent, if it has no variable in the denominator, it has no variable inside the radical sign, and it has no fractional exponent. Remember, a polynomial must have any of this. If expression avoids this issue, it's a polynomial, just like in the first column. So the first column has no negative exponents, has no variable in the denominator, has no variable inside the radical sign, and has no fractional exponents. Unlike in the second column, it has a negative exponent, it has a variable in the denominator, it has a variable inside the radical sign, and it has a fractional exponents. This group of algebraic expressions are not polynomials. Now let's practice identifying polynomials with the following problem. So number 1, x squared minus 5x plus 6. Number 2, 1 over x plus x squared. Number 3, 3 square root of y plus 4y. You can pause this video and write your comment down below for your answer and the reason for the expression which are not polynomial. Okay, so number 1 is a polynomial. And number 2 and number 3, they are not polynomials. So just comment down below the reasons why they are not polynomials. Thank you for watching. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to identify polynomials. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more math tutorials.